God bless you, my graceful fans, my beautiful cake lovers. Find that I made this beautiful cake, another beautiful decoration. Thank you all for your support, for being there for me all the time, watching, sharing, giving me thumbs up, dropping your comments. I appreciate every bit of your support. Thank you and God bless you all. This is Graceful Cakes, and today we are decorating another beautiful cake like you saw at the beginning of this video. The picture of the cake we are decorating. It's a two-step cake, and I'm decorating the first step of the cake, and they are both round shaped cake. The floor cake is bigger obviously than the upper one, and I'm covering this first step with fondant color white. So this decoration is with fondant, not buttercream or royal icing. Fondant covering. It's a birthday cake and it's a special one for my husband. This is a cake I made for my husband's birthday this year, and then just smoothing the fondant. This time around I did not use any buttercream to cover the cake before placing the fondant. I just used jam instead. The jam helps it to stick to the cake, and I discovered that in this summer with buttercream it doesn't go well with the heat. For if you have to use it as a base before the fondant, so I prefer to use jam or little touches of water. So I'm done with the first layer of the cake. I'm preparing the second one, and the second one I'm using this sky blue color for the second layer of the cake. This particular sky blue color is unique because I mixed the royal blue, which you'll soon see on the cake, with white fondant to get this exact shade of blue. And I like the blend, the way it came out. I wanted a unique kind of blue, so it's not just like the common normal sky blue that we see every day. So this is the second layer of the cake, and I'm covering it with blue. I also rub the cake with jam before putting the fondant on it. So now just rub the fondant to the cake so that it sticks to the cake, and then cut out the extras. So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please press the subscribe button now and turn on the notification bell so you get to see whenever I upload a new video of another beautiful cake decoration. So you're wondering what I'm doing? I'm just pushing in some sticks into the first layer of the cake. This is to help the second layer to balance well on the cake without crushing the first one. So the weight of the first one will rest on the sticks. So now I'm placing my happy birthday. I wrote the happy birthday with a sharper sky blue, and see all the shades of blue together, the royal blue also. I wrote in abbreviation happy birthday HBD, and then daddy, happy birthday daddy. That's what you see. And then the flowers by the side of the writing, the happy birthday writing was made with royal blue fondant. I've already explained how to make flowers with fondant. If you still don't know that, you can request it and I'll do a special video on that, but I've done that before in one of my cake decorations. Can do just that only. If you really want to know, just leave a comment for me and I'll do that for you. And then the sharper sky blue on top of the the upper layer of the cake. Flowers, 3 flowers on it. So what am I doing next? I'm placing beads around the second layer of the cake, and I'm not going to make a full covering this time around. I'm just going to do it from the flower to the flower, from the royal color flower to the second royal color flower, so the beads will showing at the back of the cake and not at the front. Just something I decided to do differently in this decoration. And you wonder I made the beads simple. I know there is an instrument for the beads, but I didn't use that because sometimes it delays me. So I just made my own beads with my hands and rolled them out and placed them on it. As I made it. It's fast and easy. Oh yeah, now you can see how I made the beads, just rolling it on my palm. As simple as that. It's faster for me than the instrument itself. I have the instrument, but sometimes when I'm in a rush, I prefer to just roll it out myself instead of using the instrument for the beads. So the beads are made with the sharper sky blue. And then the completion of the beads behind the second layer of the cake. And I'm done. And the cake came out so beautiful. The different shades of the blue on the white. So beautiful. So beautiful. Take a good look. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's really beautiful. I love it. So thank you again for being with me. I'll see you next week. Bye.